Did you know that the sound vibration is the most important factor which affects our consciousness? When you listen to the sounds from people speaking, music, different movies or videos, or even when you read certain books, because written word is also a sound vibration in a written form. So if you read or hear sound vibration which is of a lower energy, this will bring down your consciousness. And then you may wonder, why do you feel anxious? Why are you full of fear? Why are you depressed? Why are you irritated? On the other hand, if you take shelter of the spiritual sound, the transcendental sound vibration, the opposite happens. This sound vibration is transformative. It will elevate your consciousness, and you will experience satisfaction within, peace. To take shelter of the spiritual sound, you can do three things. First thing is mantra meditation. You hear the sound of mantra, transcendental spiritual mantra, like for example mantra Om or Hare Krishna mantra, which is even more powerful. And you meditate on this sound vibration and just notice how it affects your consciousness positively, how it transforms your consciousness in a very positive way, so that you want to dance in happiness. Then the second way is that you read spiritual literature, Bhagavad Gita as it is, Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita. These are all ancient yoga textbooks, more than 5,000 years old, and they bring eternal wisdom, which is very, very relevant even right now. And the third way, how you can associate with the spiritual sound vibration is people. Find out people who are truly spiritual and hear what they have to say, because by their words, by the sound vibration that is coming from their mouth, your consciousness will be elevated. You will get new inspiration, enthusiasm, and encouragement and nourishment in your life, and your life will transform for the better.